Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the DIR Zone V Weight, which is 2.7 kilograms. So this is for twin sets, as the name and the shape suggests. This is made for your twin set, so that's going to sit between your cylinders. This is made for quite close set twin sets. It's going to sit above your back plate, or sort of between your back plate and your cylinders. Just under 3 kilos of lead, very handy sort of trim weight, because it holds it nice and close to your spine, nice and close to your body, so it doesn't kind of tip and roll you around. And it's a fairly dead space in your twin set. Lead, of course, is a very soft metal, so if it's misshapen, it's very easy just to bang it back into shape. Also means that you can kind of adjust the shape a little bit to fit in almost any sort of nook or cranny in your twin set. So very handy just to add a few more kilos to your system. This is the DIR Zone 2.7 V Weight. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.